Last day today, the final day of the bird count, the Aussie backyard bird count. And I think my computer's running out of uploads. And it's a bit cold and it's not going to be as nice as yesterday. But so what have I seen? I think I've seen brown thornbills so far, but I couldn't get them on camera because they're, oh no, they're too little. But down there is now, are they the red-browed finches? Yeah, they are. It's a bit, they're quite little. I'll see if I can zoom in. Yeah, red-browed finches. Okay, that's a bit fuzzy. Okay. See, oh wow, there's a lot there. I don't know how many would be down there. Anyway, I'll look at this footage back and then I can stop it and count it. Yeah, they've gone. Okay, so something scared them off. Red-browed finches. Okay. Oh, it doesn't matter anyway. I've got them on the camera and I can count them. So red-browed finches. I'll put the species name down. Oh, and there's the wonga pigeon coming. I'll just go back over there. There it is. There he or she is. See if I can get it up. So that's the wonga pigeon. They're really pretty because when their feathers under the back feathers, when they bend down, it shows all these pretty sort of dots and that. So they're really pretty. There's just birds coming and going. Oh, that's another one of those ones. Let me see. Let me. Doesn't want to zoom today. That's really weird. So it was zooming the other day, yesterday. Now there were those birds. Now there's ones that look the same, and there's a yellow-cheeked. So there's another red. Okay, wonga pigeon. Yellow-cheeked honeyeater, and then there's a red-faced honeyeater. Yellow-cheeked honeyeater and a yellow-faced honeyeater, and they look very similar. Yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, I got it on camera yesterday. The two birds, but I think I might have got. Oh, that's the wonga pigeon with the limp. Yeah, it had a really bad limp, and it's a lot better, but it's still limping. It could barely walk at one stage. And I rang up sort of like a wildlife place, and they said, well, you'd have to catch the bird. And I thought, well, trying to catch the bird would probably create more stress than help the bird. So I decided, just leave it alone. And it's still going. That wonga pigeon that I was on the camera before. So. And one of those now, I don't know whether it was I think it was a yellow-faced, yellow-faced honeyeater. Okay, so I'm not too sure why that's I wouldn't want to be a photographer. I don't think I've got the patience for it. So far, now, I think I go out, and I think I zoom out, and there we go. That's what we've got so far. Oh, and the time, there's the time, 12:42 left. I mean, it's a really good activity, you know. I mean, I don't have any little kids or anything, but if you had children and that, you could all sort of do it together. You just don't have to have one person. You could have several people looking, and they could just be all designated an area, and they've got their little iPads, and it gives kids an excuse to be on their iPad or their tablet. You get tablet time. Oh, the Wonga pigeon's back, so we'll go back over there. Oh, there's 2 Wonga pigeons. Alrighty, add that on, Wonga pigeon. Aren't they pretty? They're big fat things. Now my grandfather, he used to love Wonga pigeons, and he would go in, he would shoot them, and this is really appalling nowadays, but he'd shoot them and eat them and love them, and he would go anywhere for a Wonga pigeon. So the only shooting I'm going to do is with a camera. But they've been here for ages. Those birds have been here for years. See, that's the one with the limp. If you can see her limping. I'll see if I can zoom in. See, she's limping. I don't know if it's male or female, I don't know. But I would say they're a breeding pair. They're going at it. Range. Whoops. So the grass has all been mown. My husband cut all the grass today. Actually, it's only been cut for about an hour, so it's freshly cut. Oh, they're so cute. And they're really quite big, actually. The pigeons tend to, they have a hierarchy, and the Wonga pigeons don't I don't think they like the brown pigeons. Or anyway, the birds have hierarchies, and they'll tolerate some species and they won't tolerate others. It's quite strange. Well, I suppose it's not strange. It's just life. Whoops. They're pretty, aren't they? They just look like chickens or something going around picking up stuff. But they fly. They don't fly a great deal. But if something scared them, they'd fly up into a tree. But pretty much they walk everywhere. That one with the gammy leg. But that's a lot better. That bird was really in a lot of pain. Now it's so much better. I think something happened. Something's funny with its wing. It's sticking up a bit. It should be sort of more close to the body. Maybe you can see. Whoops. Sort of sticking up there. This one closest in. So it's been attacked by something or something. I mean, there's foxes around here, and people let their cats out. But it's probably, you know, we feed them, put seed out, and so they get regular food. So it probably helps with their health. Ooh, what was that? I missed that. But just spinning the camera around to here because I missed something. It may come back. Jumped. I think it. I would have got that on the camera anyway, but I didn't see it. That's why I'm doing the videoing. Also, it's a Lewin's honeyeater, and not to be confused with the yellow-cheeked honeyeater or something, the yellow-spotted honeyeater. Because the Lewins are bigger and they're sort of greenish. Lewin's honeyeater. I had a whole lot of birds yesterday. It was a good list to send in. I was very happy with that. And there's a little tiny little thing. It might be a finch. And there it is there. Now I don't know what that is, unless it's a see, that they're the ones I can't identify at all. But it could be a brown thornbill, because what it is up near our bedroom we've got a palm tree in a pot, and one year the brown thornbills, and it's on the camera, it's on my YouTube channel, they made a nest and had babies and whatnot, and I couldn't identify it. So I contacted a person who's an expert in birds, and particularly this area, and he said, I said, oh look, can you look at this video and tell me what bird it is? And he said it was a brown thornbill, because I thought it was a gerygone. I thought it was a gerygone. I'm not sure if that's the right pronunciation, but they look similar. Look, there they are. Oh, they could be the female of the there's another what do you call it, red-browed finch. They could be the female of the scarlet honeyeater. And there's another one, but oh, they're pretty, those little things. I don't know what they are, but at least I've got them on camera, and I just wish it would focus, but it's gone all annoying again. And because I can go, I'm glad I'm filming this, and the reason why I decided to do it is when I get that situation when I've got a bird and I can't identify it, I've got it on the film, and I can take my time looking at it and identifying it properly. Now there's a whole lot of red-browed finches, and I think it's probably those ones coming back that flew off before, and they're just over here. I'll move you around there. Okay, and they're there, see? Oops, it's a bit skew width. They're all in there. Whoops. There's quite a lot of them there. Oh dear, it won't. Yesterday I had the focusing in, or recently had the focusing, and it was beautiful. And the clarity was lovely, but I don't know. It's not an expensive camera, I suppose that's what's happened. But I haven't changed any of the settings. So the Wonga pigeons are still there. Oh, there's another one of those little things in the bird bath. Oops. And there's one of those. I think that might have been one of those. Just go out a bit. So I think that's the yellow-faced. Yellow-faced. There's two of those. So I think that's the same one, and it's the yellow face because it's more of a stripe around under the eye, whereas like the Lewin's honey eaters and this yellow cheeked one, that's like a dot. But the yellow cheeked one and the Lewin's honey eater are very similar, but like I said, the Lewin's honey eater is bigger. And and there's a now there's the what do you call that? Some sort of dove. Where is it? Is that it there? Yeah. It's a bit hard to see. There. Maybe sort of hiding behind that branch there, but you can sort of see it. Now it's coming down for the seed. I don't know, some white pigeon or something, white dove, white-headed pigeon, I think it is. Pigeon. Well, there's another one, white-headed pigeon. There's another one up there. Oh, and there was something went into the bird bath just then. I'm going to come back down to the bird bath. Now that is a eastern spinebill. Okay, there's 4 of those white-headed pigeons. Eastern spinebill. Whoops. Eastern spinebill. Red-browed finches are still there. That's a red-browed finch coming onto there. Eastern spinebill. Yeah, see, that's good because I got the camera looking there, and then I can sort of look over there and it's actually capturing it, and I'll always double check it later. The Wonga pigeons are gone now that the those white-headed pigeons are there. Oh, look at the yeah, see, they sit right in the water and have a good bath, those red-browed finches. They've all got their own little sort of activities. They're those. Oh, they're those yellow-faced honey eaters. There's 2 of them up there. I won't risk moving the camera because it's too hard for me to get it. So there's about 3 of those. Oh no, that's a. Now no, that's a yellow-cheeked honey eater. Okay, yellow-cheeked. Oh, time's up. Damn. Okay, yellow-cheeked honey eater. Or is it yellow spotted, yellow faced, oh no, I've been calling it a yellow cheeked. I have to look at that again. I've made a mistake, I think. I have to look at that again. What have I done? I know what I do. I will go and see what I submitted last night in the email. Yeah, so yellow-faced. Okay, I need to double check that again. All right. So I've got yellow-faced honeyeater, Lewin's honeyeater. So I don't know. All right, well that's it. So yeah, it's finished. Oh, I'm a bit sad now. It's all finished. And all the birds are coming now. They're all going nuts. They're saying goodbye. Goodbye, Aussie bird count. We're all here now. We're all going. There's birds everywhere chirping. Oops, sorry about that. I wonder if anybody will watch these. Probably not. There it is there. So far. I've got to do a double check on it. But there's quite a lot of red-browed finches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the moment down there. Oh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to say 10. Ah. Oh, they all flew off. Oh, they've gone for a drink. There they are. Having a little drink. They're really pretty. They're sort of blue and grey and green and all colours. It's so beautiful. And I mean, the thing is, I can have these birds. I don't have to put them in a cage. They can just live. You know, what's better than that? I can enjoy them. I don't have to do a single thing. Perhaps throw out some seed and put a bit of water, but they'd still come even if that wasn't there. Look there. This is what it's like. It's like this. You get all different birds. And there's that little wattle bird. You know, if you had a fabulous camera, it'd be sensational. Oh, that looks like a wren or something there. Up in that tree there. That's gone already. Oh no, it's still there. Oh, it flew down. Oh no, it's like I think it might be a fantail. Oh, see, look, there it is. See, the wonga pigeon doesn't like the other birds, and it's telling it off. They're cranky little devils. See how the birds they have their little personalities. And the others they're all congregating together. They're a bit scared now. Whoops. Alright, well that's your lot for this year. I'll see if I do it again next year, I don't know. But, well, if anyone ever watches this, I hope they enjoyed it. And yeah, and that's it. Goodbye.